plan. Lap dancer with the curve. This will be wenge. This will be ash. I have one big fat ass billet for this, so this will be one piece. This will have to be a sandwich, and I think we're going to put a very thin layer of red heart in the middle of that sandwich. Red heart, wenge, ash, neck. Multiscale, 24 3/4 to 25 1/2. The fretboard, I'm thinking book matched piece of ziricote, and I'm kind of toying with the idea of putting a red heart center line down the middle of it. That is basically the plan at this point. Yeah. Let's get this resawed for a fretboard. Alright, the dimensions on this I'm not terribly worried about. It needs to be thin. Probably much thinner than 1/4 inch, but I don't know for sure. But I can cut this to where we get 3 pieces that are 1/4 inch thick. So that's what we're going to go for now. This is going to be, if I take a strip to put in the middle of that fretboard, it'll have to come out of this. The sandwich and the wenge part is going to be built out of this. Maybe we'll have some other use for it too. I'm not sure. But I can't trust my fence anymore. What else do I need to resaw? So I was looking at mapping out my stripes, and I was thinking, I think we need about 2 inches a strip. Which I just remember, and I don't. Now, normally when I just remember something, it's good to double check, because I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So I started with the ash just because, but anyway, from our drawing, I know we need, what did I say, about 27 inch? About 27 inch. You know, I'm going to give it a little more for wiggle room, so I'm planning on 28, which means the piece of wenge I had is not quite long enough. Anyway, I know from memory, like I said, that my headstock is about 8 inches long, so I double check and look, and it's like 7.5. Always double check. Okay, so at 7.5, I put a point where we're gonna start our break angle. And with my handy dandy protractor, I marked 10 degrees here so I could draw me a line, which, lucky enough, gives us plenty of room. It always seemed to me 5/8 was the thickness we need. However, we're going to be doing a head plate, which will probably be 1/8 of an inch thick. But for now, just out of force of habit, we're going to draw our 5/8. So and turns out 2 inches is plenty enough for that blank. I still use holdover of my old neck blank. just for drawing the flute. I hadn't looked in a while, and I don't know why I didn't think to, but I took a look just for the hell of it, and I still have wenge veneer, at least enough for this. Okay, for our Red Heart Wenge sandwich. This is basically the dimension, just so I can kind of draw off what we need here. So I think I'm going to chop this and then use one of these pieces for this other part and save this guy for other purposes. So I've been sitting here trying to decide, and with the help of the fellas at the Guitar Builders Collective, I think I have a plan. I had been thinking about doing a wenge core with ash runners, and since I found some wenge veneer I forgot I had, we can do that. So if we did, we'd have wenge core, ash runners, wenge veneers, Red Heart. And we could even put maple veneers on the outside of the wenge veneers and have two lines. White, black, white, red. Could. That could be cool. I was trying to decide if we were going to do ash core wenge runners, but so many of our neck blanks have followed that pattern. I kind of want to do the dark core. And it seems like that's the consensus from everybody, so I think that's what we're doing. So, I guess we could get the ash resawed and thinned down, and then start tapering the wenge. Then, I mean, we could put the stack together, we could do registration pins, and we could maybe have the damn neck blank glued up tonight. Maybe. We'll see. In the meantime, that's going to work out well. Yeah. The ash billet right now is like 2 inches, and we need to get it down to about 1 3/4 inches. I think 1 3/4 inches is about where we want to wind up. So, with multiple layers to the wenge part, and we want the center to be centered, and you know, it's going to take a little bit of planning to get that down to the right width or thickness. 1/8" taper jig. Alright, you know the deal. Do the 1/8" taper on one side. Then we got to do the 1/4" taper on the other side. I believe everything should be good and lined up now. I'm doing 1/4" holes so I can put a 1/4" dowel through there when it comes time to glue up. I redrew our profile so I know all of this is getting cut away. So it's safe to do this. Now, blank's ready for glue up. I guess easiest way to do this now.